Stop scrolling, take a second to look at the stitchwork in a world of fast fashion and disposable trend. There's something revolutionary about a garment that started as a single string of yarn and a silver hook. Welcome back to the studio. If you have been looking for the perfect wow piece for your Etsy shop or your Shopify storefront, you have hit the jackpot. Today we are diving into a curated collection of crochet dress designs that aren't just clothes, they are wearable art. Whether you are a designer looking for the inspiration of a buyer or looking for your next summer staple, stick around. By the end of this video, you will see your crochet is officially taking over the luxury handmade market. First up, let's talk about the bread and butter of the crochet world, the boho check festival dress. This is the consistent bestseller on platforms like Etsy. Why? Because it's timeless. Notice the use of negative space here. These organized diamond meshes and pineapple motifs allow for breathability, perfect for those hot July music festival. If you are selling these, focus on the versatility. A dress like this can be a beach cover up by the day, and with a simple slip underneath, a high fashion statement by night. Pro tip for the seller is that use organic cotton or a bamboo blend. Your customers aren't just buying a look, they are buying the feel of high quality, sustainable fiber against their skin. Now let's pivot. Crochet doesn't always have to be the hippie. We are seeing a massive surge in modern minimalism. Look at these sleek silhouette by using denser stitches like the hairborne half double crochet. You create a fabric that has weight, drape, and incredible hold. These designs are perfect for Shopify boutique, targeting the quiet luxury aesthetic. They look expensive because they are labor intensive. If you are a maker, emphasize the hours of craftsmanship in your product description. A handmade midi dress in a neutral cream or a charcoal isn't just a trend, it's a heirloom piece. We can't talk crochet without paying homage to icon, the granny square, but this isn't the grandma Afghan. We are seeing kidcore and nostalgic 70s aesthetic blowing up on TikTok and Instagram. Check out how these designers are using vibrant color palette, electric blue mixed with tangerines and lilac. These pieces are thumb stoppers. They pop on a crowded Etsy search page if you want your shop to stand out. Don't be afraid of colors, these dresses tell the story of joy.